Hi guys, it's Tracy from the Blonde Nomads. Today I'm going to share with you one of our favourite camp meals, Mexican mince. It's quick, it's easy, and best of all, it's a one-pot wonder. So the ingredients include mince, crushed tomatoes, red kidney beans, black beans, corn, and taco flavouring mix. If you want to get fancy, you could use turmeric and cumin instead. Okay, let's get started. First we're going to brown the mince, and then later we'll add in all the cans. This is Ziggy, my little apprentice. He's going to help me today. Okay, now the mince is brown, it's time to add the tins. Just make sure you drain them, otherwise we'll end up with Mexican soup. Add in the taco mix. And now everything's in, we're just going to mix it all through until it's cooked, and then we'll be ready to rock. The reason why I love this recipe so much is because of its versatility. You can serve it with a side of rice, on nachos, in wraps or tacos, or on a piece of toast. Tonight we're going with the side of rice. Let's go feed the tribe.